Okay, so for this problem, we're given a table, excuse me, of a guy who makes a bunch of bicycle rides, and they tell us the miles that he traveled and how long it took to make those rides. And the question we're being asked is to find what was the greatest average speed. So that's kind of like going to be in the form of miles per hour. So let's take a look at Monday. On Monday, he went 38 miles in 2 hours. So we divide 38 divided by 2, and his average speed was 19 miles per hour. That's not hard. All we're doing is simple division. Excuse me. So now to find out the distance or his speed on Wednesday, we're going to do 33 divided by 1.5 or 1.5 hours. So we move the decimal over one place, and when we do that with the 33, we add a 0. So now we're doing 330 divided by 15. So that gives us 20 and 2. So on Wednesday, he went 22 miles per hour, which means we know already that A can't be the solution to our problem. Okay? So really all we're doing here is dividing the number of miles by the number of hours and finding his speed in miles per hour. Now the next one's a different case. We've got 18 divided by 0.75. 0.75 is 3/4. So we're just going to change this to fractions. This might be easier. So let's write 18 as 18 over 1. And keep 3/4 the way it is. We know that when we divide with fractions, we're going to multiply by the reciprocal of the second number. Seems hard, but it's not really that big of a deal. Okay? So 18 over 1, the divided turns into a times sign, and then we flip the numbers and we take the reciprocal, which is going to be 4 over 3. Now instead of multiplying the numbers out, we're going to cancel the numbers first. So 3 can be divided by 3, and 18 can be divided by 3 also. So that gives us 6 times 4, which is 24, over 1 times 1, which is 1. On Friday, Don was going 24 miles per hour. So we know that A and B are both not the correct solution. So the only thing left would be, what happens on Saturday? Well, on Saturday, he took the longest ride of all, 45 miles. But it also took him 2.25 or 2.25 hours to make the ride. So we divide 45 by 2.25. Remember, we divide with whole numbers. So move the decimal over 2 places and add zeros when you need to. 4,500 divided by 225, let's see, it doesn't go into 4, it doesn't go into 45, so 2 times 225 is 450. Now don't forget the placeholders, so the answer is not 2, we got to put a 0 in the spot at the end. On Saturday, we went 20 miles per hour. So Saturday is also not the correct solution. The correct solution here is C, Friday, when he went 24 miles per hour.